In Bangladesh, rivers are not just waterways, they are the lifeline of the land. From the clam moving miles over the Padmas to the rhythmic waves of the Meghna, every river tells a story of beauty and survival. Fishermen's boats and birds create a living harmony, a connection between people and nature that feels timeless. The green riverbanks, gentle breeze, and reflections of golden sunlight remind us how peaceful coexistence with nature can be. This is Bangladesh, a country born from rivers alive with water and forever flowing with life.